Hey everyone, Melissa here, and good morning on this Wednesday. I'm coming in for a live video. I haven't done one here in a while, and I just wanted to share some information. I actually just got off of a coffee chat where I got to share some tips and mind hacks for some wonderful, amazing ladies who are just looking to move out of quarantine and really discover something beyond their current circumstances and situation. So that prompted me, since I'm cleaned up and ready to be video ready, I would go ahead and hop in over here to talk to you a little bit about the upcoming vision board classes that I'm offering. These are free. And if you've never created a vision board or you have created a vision board, this is really an opportunity for you to zero in on what your vision board currently is saying or asking for and how you can maybe up level it. And if you've not created one before, you'll learn how to design one and what goes into actually creating a vision board. It's not about the glue sticks, the scissors, the poster board, and the magazines that you may have come to know, but those are fun, and having wine and beverages with your friends and creating them can absolutely serve you in your highest and best good. So what I've done is I've taken it to the next level. It's not just that you have to put images on there. There's a lot of steps that go into it because the image does say things, but what's really in that image and what really lights you up about that, and what's the words or the conversation you would have, or what's that feeling that you might get from it. And then it doesn't have to be on a poster board. It can be created virtually. It can be just in your photo album. It can be in Pinterest. It could be wherever you can digitally put pictures. And the thing is they can change often. So sometimes when you do a vision board with paper, and you have an image there, later on you might find another image that moves you more, and you don't necessarily swap it out. You just recognize that there's another image that you like more, and that's where you get to give yourself permission again, because my theory is you ask for something or something better, or and something better, because we really don't know what the universe has in store for us until we start asking for what it is that we desire. If it's a new home that you desire, what does that home look like, and where is it located, and how do you feel when you enter that home? And what's the surroundings, and who are the neighbors, and what's the streets, and what noises do you hear? All of that brings in the energy to that home. So they say a picture has speaks a thousand words, which truly it does. That's the piece where you want to connect with that and really align your heart and soul into that image, because even though this is what you desire, something better may be available as well. So always be open to that idea and that way of really creating your life by design. And all those images over time will add up. Some things will come really quickly with ease, other things may take some time. There was a story one time about someone wanted a particular home, and they're like, I'm never going to get this home. It's been years and I don't have this home yet. And what it was is that perfect home, that ideal home they wanted, hadn't been built yet. And when that subdivision built their home and it became available for them, they knew right then that timing was everything. So they basically created their home years later, but it was the home that they had truly desired and set the intention of living in. I'm going to drop the link below to the two workshops. I have the first one on June the 4th. It's at 8 p.m. And I know it seems late for some people, but really this is a good time for the energy to flow, to really be connected. I'm a lifelong learner, so make sure you mark your calendars and get registered for that, because the registration will give you the replay as well as some other bonuses that I'm offering. Then the following week on June the 11th at the same time, there's a next step, igniting the magic to your vision board. And this is where you're going to start really discovering how those images, how those words, how those feelings, how those emotions can align with the cosmic kitchen. So when you place that order, it can get busy in starting to bring things your way, into your existence, into your reality. And then you don't have to say, this stuff doesn't work, right? So that's my offerings that are coming up June the 4th, June the 11th. The link will be in the comments. So be sure to get registered so that you can get the video, the replay, the reminder, and the link to where the live broadcast will be given. So if you have any questions, private message me, drop a comment below. But I'm super excited. We had over 100 participants when I offered this earlier this year. Or this month actually. So I'm really looking forward to having double that. Let's do over 200 participants this time, because the world needs that special gift that you give. And when you decide, which is what Marie Forleo says, when you decide what that looks like, it's amazing how you can live the best version of yourself now. And I want to offer that to you. As always, I hope this resonates. I'm sending you tons of love and lots of light. Have an amazing day, and I'll talk to you soon.